What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be working on the S3 again. We're going to be installing a carbon fiber front lip. So let me show you what I got here. While editing this video, I forgot to mention something super important about this carbon fiber front lip. This is only for the facelift model S3, so 2017 and up. If you have a pre-facelift model, 2015 or 2016, this lip will not work for you. I'll put that down in the description as well when you guys go to read that. You don't make a mistake when ordering, but this is only for the facelift model S3s. So here we have the lip. I have it on some towels so it doesn't get scratched. I already pre-drilled all the holes. It is from a company called EMD Auto. I will leave a link in the description for that. Also, what you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably a drill, a jack, and some jack stands. Also, this lip comes with the hardware as well. It feels super nice quality. So we're gonna jack the car up, put it on the jack stands, and then install the lip. So the car's in the air. Also, I'm going to be using this tape so I'm able to tape the lip up into the place that I wanted to. Only reason why is I'm going to be doing this by myself. I don't have a second person that's able to line it up. So I'm going to go from one corner to the next corner, line it up, put some tape, and then I'll have everything in place so that I can drill it up into the bumper. So forget the whole one side or another. I'm just going to use another jack stand that I have to hold up the middle and then go around the entire lip to hold it up. So it's definitely not a pretty tape job, but everything is up in place. Everything is lined up corner to corner. I have the tape running all the way around. bumper. And then this side is also lined up. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna begin by drilling the corners of the lip and then working my way towards the middle, just so I can secure everything so that there's not too much weight on one side and it gets drilled up with the balance. So we're gonna drill this up. All right guys, so I'm gonna start drilling up the corners of the lip. Got one. All right guys, so we have the second one that's gonna be going now. Number two, I'm gonna end up tightening these by hand at the end. So not to worry, just to make sure that they're all in there. I don't want to overdo it with the drill. All right guys, so now we're gonna start working on this corner, on this side, and then work our way towards the middle. So this is all good to go. So now we're gonna work on the middle of the lip. We're gonna screw in the middle and then we're gonna remove the tape, and I'm gonna hand tighten everything to make sure that it's all good. So I'm going to remove the jack from under the jack stand. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go with my Phillips head by hand and check to make sure that every single one is up in there and tight. Now just checking the last side to make sure that lip good. One more. Perfect. All right, so everything is tight. So now I'm going to remove all the tape from the lip and see how the finish is. So the lip is fully installed now, as you guys can see. Everything is screwed on, everything is lined up. On this side as well, all perfect. So honestly, this install is super easy and it makes the car look 10 times better. Anyways, that's going to conclude the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that carbon fiber front lip. It is super nice quality and the installation is super simple. Plus, they provide all the hardware that you need to put everything and install it on the car. Honestly, it only takes like 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Just make sure you have all the right tools. I definitely 100% recommend you use a drill. You could probably get away with just using a screwdriver, but one, you're going to destroy your hand, and two, you're going to be there for the longest time. So my best recommendation is use a drill to get it up. Don't overdo it because you might make a hole that's too big and destroy the lip and where it goes up into the bumper. So just screw it up and then by hand, tighten it as much as you can go and you'll be good. Everything is firm, everything is tight on the car, so I'm not afraid that anything is going to fall off. But anyways, guys, hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.